Welcome to episode 2 of the kid tutorial.
Today we are going to be making campfire s'more brownies.
S'mores and brownies together?
Yep, that's what makes it so yummified.
Wait, that sounds really hard.
Nope, it's still kid approved.
Okay, let's do it. What do we need?
First we need graham crackers. Then we need Hershey's chocolate bars. We also need red or pink Jolly Ranchers. And we need the pretzel sticks. Wait, I think I'm forgetting something.
The marshmallows!
Yes, you cannot have a good s'more without the marshmallows. Step 1, prepare the brownie batter. So get whatever brownie mix you want, and it'll tell you how to make the brownie on the back. First for us, we need to preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray the pan with the vegetable oil. Next, we need to place water, oil, and egg in a medium bowl, and stir it. Put it in. Yes,
So
the eggs. And if some of the shells fall in, you can just easily pick them out. It's all right if you get dirty.
Yep, here you go.
Now we will put in the vegetable oil. It is green.
Okay, I like green.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Now we pour in the water.
Okay.
Water bottle.
It's okay if you make mistakes.
Yep. Now we need to put in the most important thing. Hopefully I don't drop this, guys.
Now we need to
Mix.
stir it all together.
Stir, stir, stirring.
Now we are done mixing.
I will hold the bowl and he will scrape it in. This is why you need a partner for this.
And if you don't have any partner, you can try. Oh. We accidentally dropped it, so now we're going to scoop it back in. Because we're kids, we make mistakes.
Yep. Now we are done with the batter. Now we will get on oven mitts because I love getting oven mitts on. And, oh shoot, wrong way. Now we will put it in the oven.
We are only going to bake it for 20 minutes because we are going to add our s'mores ingredients.
Now we have baked our brownies for 20 minutes. Now it's time for the fun part.
S'mores.
First, we will crumble up the graham crackers onto it. You break it in half, you break it into a quarter, and then you can crumble, crumble, crumble.
We want it to all be spread out. Next, we are going to put these Hershey's into 3 sections each.
And crumble.
And then we're gonna spread them out all over the board. You can put in 6, and that's what now I'm doing.
This ton chocolate.
Yep.
Chocolate is what makes it good. And marshmallows for that matter.
Yeah. Next.
Smushy. Ready? This is rock hard. Oh yeah, I'm so strong. It's gonna be a little sticky when you're crumbling it, and some of it will melt onto your fingers, but that's all right. Now we will scatter the marshmallows. Scatter, scatter, scatter. You don't even have to like do this much. Just like however much you want, like with the graham crackers. Because look, see, we didn't even do all the graham crackers.
I think we're kind of coloring this all up.
Yeah. Yummy! Now we will bake it for 10 minutes and do that keep on repeatedly until the marshmallows are all melted. Think we can catch marshmallows in our mouth?
Yeah.
Oh, my nose! Yes! Good. Oh! Darn it. Tegan! You didn't actually try!
Ooh, look at those gooey marshmallows.
While our brownies are cooling, we are going to make our flames out of the Jolly Ranchers. But first, we need a baking sheet.
Somebody say baking sheet?
Now we will put our parchment paper onto our baking sheet so that the Jolly Ranchers don't stick onto the baking sheet. Now we will pour the Jolly Ranchers on. We need to put them close together so they will melt into one. And we'll bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me get my oven mitts on. There. Okay. Now that our Jolly Ranchers are cooled, we're gonna break them apart so they look like flames.
We are breaking them into flames.
See, look at that.
Big pieces. Because it kind of hurt our hands, we can do it with a butter knife. You can repeat this until you want these to be done. Look at our cool flames. I'm going to show you how to make the teepees. First, we squish the marshmallows. And then second, you make a hole. Third, we need to get 3 of the pretzel sticks and we need to put them in the hole. And then we will spread it out and it'll end up as a teepee. So now I'm going to spread my pretzels out, the legs. Okay, like that. You're supposed to have something that looks like that.
That's really easy. Ta-da! Now it's time to assemble our brownies. You can get an adult to help you cut the brownies. Our mom helped us cut them and put them onto these plates. Now we will show you how to assemble them. You take one of the teepees / campfire or a campfire and stick them in. It's alright if you don't do it perfectly the first time because it's alright. And then you take
your flames.
And if they're too big for you, you can take
and put them
in.
wherever you want.
And then stick them in.
This one is pretty big, so I'm going to stick it very far down. That's also one trick. This looks so good.
I know, right?
I'm trying to put one right under the campfire.
Yep.
Hey, I did it.
Now there's one of them. Now it is time to taste test. Tegan! Where do you keep on popping up, girl?
Okay, I'll
Does
just
it
have
taste
this
good?
one.
Yeah, it tastes so good. I'll have this one that's popped up.
Really good.
Let me play! That's really good. Oh my goodness.
Thanks for watching. Press below to subscribe.